All right, boys and girls, classic little pre-calculus question. This is actually asking you, could you use pre-calculus to find the exact answer of this? So what they want to know is what's the rate of change at this exact point? Okay. And what you should be able to observe here is that the slope is changing. It goes from positive to 0 to negative. And that's just because this is a curve, not a line. So the curve itself is changing at a different rate at different times. We don't know how to find it exact using pre-calculus. So you'll notice that the problem requires calculus to be solved. But then it asks, use a graphical or numerical approach to estimate the solution. So I'm going to clear. Now, we want to know what the slope of this tangent line is at 1. Okay. The best way we can do that is to find a segment that's very short, that's actually on that line, and then find the slope between those 2 points. And the slope of that segment should be close to the slope of the tangent line. So let's think about we want to find the slope at 1, well, we better find out what the output is. So you know what, this is going to be easier if I use this. The equation is 0.03 times 10x minus x squared. Times 10x squared. I'm going to go to my table. And notice at 1, it's 0.27. Okay. So my strategy, Stephen, is let's find out what it is at 0.99. Okay. And let's find out what it is at 1.01. And then use those 2 points and find the slope between them. So if I come over to my graphing calculator and go up to my table settings, I'm going to go down to this ask. I'm going to go to my table and it's going to be empty. Now I can type in point. Now, by the way, you could just done this by hand. It's just much quicker to do it this way. So we got 0.2676, 0.2724. Okay, that's right. So now the slope between those 2 points is 0.2724 minus 0.2676 divided by 1.01 minus 0.99. So that is, let's see, 0.0. Throw that in there, Stephen, would you? So you get 0.0048 divided by, you're fine, 0.02, and you end up with 0.24. Does that make sense? Boom.